15 minutes ago, we talked about serious lung injuries that teenagers have gotten now from vaping.
It is a very serious problem, serious enough that a local school district is turning to technology to try and stop it. 2 on Your Side's Jeff Preval went down to Salamanca today to see how they're doing it.
This is called a halo device. Salamanca Schools has them in many bathrooms in the district's intermediate and high school. The halos are meant to put out once and for all the vaping problem among students here.
One of our biggest concerns is the age at which students are trying this. We find students as low or as early as 4th grade who are being identified or being caught, so to speak, with vaping.
And when you talk to these students, when you interview them as to why they are vaping, what are they saying?
A lot of it really boils down to some peer pressure is involved with it. It's something that they see other adults doing.
Salamanca Schools installed 10 halo devices at the end of last school year. They can pick up all sorts of toxins and loud sounds that you would hear in a commotion. Within weeks, 9 students were caught vaping.
And this was after a significant campaign to say, these devices are coming into our laboratories.
Assistant Superintendent Mark Beeler demonstrates how they work, using disinfectant spray to trigger the halo. Within seconds, a red light goes on and an alert is emailed to district officials telling them what the problem is and where.
They have vandal sensors on them, so if students come in and try and vandalize them, knock them out of the ceiling, that sets off an alarm as well.
District officials say students who are caught vaping get in-school suspension and a referral to a drug and alcohol counselor. Student athletes who are caught will miss playing 1/3 of their season.
And that can become very significant for many of our juniors and seniors who are playing varsity sports, and is hopefully a significant deterrent.
In Salamanca, Jeff Preval, Channel 2 News.